Guys, what's up? So welcome to my second YouTube channel, Savdhan Cyber, where we are going to see how to set up Hexed for the first time. Okay, if you are new here and you don't know about Hexed and how to install it on your in your Termux, then check description and watch videos. There are lots of videos like how to install Termus Black, how to install Hexed in Termus Black, and if you don't know Termus, if you don't want to install Termus Black, then you can also install Hexed manually and you can check video. Okay, so check description first, then come back here. So if you have already installed Hexed, then let's continue. So here in APK Builder, just type your IP. So I'm going to show you in my own device in localhost. Okay, so and leave that port as it is. So let's build it. Okay, we are going to build them. So it may take hardly 1 to 2 minutes, and it can also stuck on the finalizing. If this happens to you, then surely there was some error. So okay, so let's just take a screenshot and report to me in my Telegram group. Okay, so yeah, so now you can just click here. Yes, the download option is not working, is what it was not working in Lemon now, but I fixed that. Now it is working in Hexed. So you can just click here, download, and the Hexed application will be downloaded in your device. So let's open it. So now I am going to install Hexed in my own device. Okay guys, it's my own device. I'm not hacking any external device. It's illegal and I don't take any type of responsibility for you guys. Okay, so any illegal activity done by you, I don't take any responsibility then. So here I'm going to install it on my device. Install anyway. Okay, so as you can see here, version 1.0 beta, it's a beta version, so don't expect too much from this. It's a beta release, and there are lots of errors which may come to your device. Okay, so let's finalize it. Okay, so here I installed it. Then you will have to just click on open and don't press back. Okay, so just open. Okay, so guys, please pay attention here. These are all required, necessary, must permissions. Okay, without these Hexed will not work as expected. So just click here auto start. If you have this option in your settings, then don't forget to on this. Okay, auto start. And if you have battery saver, then click on no restrictions. And now go to app permissions and just click all and other permissions. Okay, so don't forget to go if you have other permissions option in your setting. It's a device specific. In Redmi phones, in from the MIUI 10 or 11, this is a new option appearing in the setting, and you will have to enable this permission, accept, otherwise screen recorder will not work. Okay, so just click here, display pop-up windows while running in the background, and enable it, and press back. Then all required things are done now. Okay guys, press back. Don't press home button or anything, just press back, and you will see here process manager. You can see here, this process manager will start capturing everything that displayed on your screen, and you will have to enable start now. But wait, here, yes, a hidden button is here. Button is hidden. Yes, as you can see, I can press here. So you will have to just press here and then start now and then click on start now. ओके, सो आपको पहले यहाँ पे प्रेस करना है, ठीक है, एंड उसके बाद स्टार्ट नाउ प्रेस करना है. ध्यान रहे, स्टार्ट नाउ पे प्रेस करने से पहले आपको ये प्रेस करना ही है, करना है. यहाँ पे टिक लगा आना चाहिए, अदरवाइज मैं बता रहा हूँ क्या होगा. जब स्क्रीनशॉट लोगे ना तो ये पॉपअप दोबारा आएगा विक्टिम के पास में, और आप चाहोगे नहीं कि ये पॉपअप दोबारा आए. ठीक है, तो आपको इस पर क्लिक करना है और देन स्टार्ट नाउ पे कर देना है. नाउ here in notification access, just click here and allow process manager. Okay, and that's it, and then press back and go to settings again. Here in settings, I'm going to password and security, then privacy, then special app access, then device admin apps, and then here device admin, and then activate this device admin app. सो आपको हमारे हेक्सरेट को डिवाइस का एडमिन बना देना है. नेक्स्ट एंड क्लिक ऑन नेक्स्ट, एक्सेप्ट, एंड यू आर नाउ डिवाइस एडमिन. इट मीन व्हाट आई माइंड टू से, नाउ हेक्सरेट इज डिवाइस एडमिन. ओके, सो एवरीथिंग इज सेटअप नाउ. सो लेट्स go to admin panel where I can control this device. Okay guys, so click on devices and you will see a online device. Just click on manage and you will see lots of options here: info, GPS, microphone, contacts, call log, clipboard, notification log, SMS manager, Wi-Fi manager, installed apps, alert permissions, file manager, file explorer, downloads, log device, screenshot, screen recorder, screen rear cam, front cam. Wow, lots of cool features now. So let's test screenshot. So I am going to take screenshot.